In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a purchase success mail template Brevo. This is a simple process, but it is worth doing carefully because a well-built email template can help you send clear follow-up messages right after a purchase. As you follow along, just keep an eye on the screen as the buttons and options may be in slightly different places depending on your account layout. To begin, go to Campaigns. From there, select Create Campaign. Taking this first step opens the place where you can choose what type of campaign you want to build. You are essentially starting the workflow, and once the campaign creation page loads, you can move forward with confidence that you are in the correct section. Next, click Email. Then select an email name, and after that, click Create Campaign. The email name is important because it helps you identify this specific campaign later. You can think of it as your internal label. After you click Create Campaign, the system will take you into the designing stage, where you can customize the content and the look of your purchase success message. Now you will add recipients. After you add recipients, set your subject line. When you choose recipients and craft a subject, you are preparing the email for sending. Recipients determine who will receive the message, and the subject line is what people will see first in their inbox. Once those are in place, click Start Designing. This is the moment where your template comes to life visually, and you can start building the email structure. After you click Start Designing, you will select a layout. This is where you choose a starting design for your email. Picking the right layout helps you organize elements like headings, text, and images in a way that looks clean on both desktop and mobile. After you choose the layout, you can build your email using the drag and drop editor. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to arrange your content, and you can adjust the placement without needing to write complex code. As you design, look for text blocks in the editor. Click on text blocks to insert personalization tags. Personalization tags allow the email to pull in customer-specific information, which helps the message feel more relevant and more helpful. When you insert a personalization tag, make sure you place it in the right part of the message. For example, you typically add personalization to a greeting or to key sentences where customer information improves clarity. Once you have added your text, personalization, and overall email structure, take a moment to review what you built. Confirm that the content is readable, that the spacing looks good, and that personalization tags appear where you intended. This review step matters because it catches small issues before you finalize. When everything looks correct, you will be ready to finalize the campaign. Finally, click Save and Activate. Saving ensures your template and settings are stored, and activating prepares it so it can be sent according to your campaign setup. After you activate, you should be able to access the campaign details and confirm the status in your campaigns area. And that covers everything you need to know. You now have a clear process for creating and activating a purchase success mail template in Brevo. And that is all there is to it.